Racing just is started with touch of class. Break quickly at the start, Lady Jaja. Mangaro down on the inside is chance and the alam mo na yan. Packet Rocket while winning habit is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have touch of class by about 3 lengths. And in second is chance and the down in third is Lady Jaja. Alam mo na yan. Mangaro is on the outside. Packet Rocket comes next while winning habit is still racing in last. Back to the leader. We have touch of class maintaining a 5 lengths lead. Lady Jaja in second. Down on the inside is Chance Andior. Alam mo na yan is racing in fourth. Mangaro comes next winning habit second last while Packet Rocket now racing in last. Another fourth turn. We have touch of class maintaining a length and a half lead. And in second now is Lady Jaja. Mangaro is on the outside. Alam mo na yan is down on the inside for us. They swing for home. We have touch of class by a length. Lady Jaja on the outside. Mangaro with about 150 meters more to run. We have Lady Jaja. Touch of class. Mangaro moving up now on the outside is winning habit. It's now winning habit. Lady Jaja. Then comes number 7, Mangaro, touch of class. Alam mo na yan.
Alright, isang dehado po.
Coming from nowhere.
Oo.